FavePay has become one of the most convenient digital payment platforms, and one of its most attractive features is the cashback it offers. Maximizing cashback can lead to significant savings on everyday purchases, and understanding the best rates is key to getting the most value from the platform. Currently, FavePay provides a range of cashback offers depending on the merchant and payment type. Restaurants, retail stores, and online merchants often have varied rates, which can reach as high as 15% in some promotions. The best FavePay cashback rates are typically offered through their exclusive partnerships with selected merchants. Payments made at partner restaurants often provide the highest returns, with some offers allowing users to earn up to $20 or more in cashback per transaction. Retail purchases also have attractive rates, though they may range between 5% and 10% depending on the item and merchant. Online shopping through FavePay links or apps can sometimes trigger additional cashback bonuses, especially during special campaigns or weekends. Timing plays a critical role in optimizing cashback. FavePay frequently runs limited-time offers that significantly increase the base cashback rate. Users who monitor these promotions and align their purchases accordingly can enjoy higher returns without any extra spending. Additionally, FavePay occasionally provides tiered cashback incentives. For example, spending over $50 in a single transaction may unlock a higher percentage rate, effectively multiplying the total savings. To maximize benefits, it is essential to combine regular cashback offers with special promotions and merchant partnerships. Understanding which merchants offer the highest returns, keeping track of seasonal campaigns, and monitoring transaction amounts ensures that users consistently get the most out of their FavePay usage. By focusing on these high-value opportunities, FavePay users can convert routine spending into tangible savings, turning every payment into a chance to earn cashback efficiently and consistently.